this morning round for weighing, with the moon shining bright, said let's interstate. I put the covers over my head and trying to catch and sleep. The thoughts get zapped at keep me awake. Now since you found me, there's in someone else's arms. Been trying my best to get along, but that's okay, but nothing left to say. But take your records, take your freedom, take your memories, I don't need them. Take your space and all your reasons that you think of me. Take your catch and leave my weather, 'cause we got nothing left to weather. In fact, I feel whole like better. You think of me, you think of me. When I'm driving, trying to clear my head, set the sweeping on the ruins of my emotions there. Guess I'm feeling just a little tired of this. And oh, the badger seems still exists. Now I think you found me, they still have to say my name. But you know not where it could have been, what there should have been. So take your records, take your freedom, take your memories, I don't need them. Take your space and all your reasons that you think of me. Take your catch and leave my weather, 'cause we got nothing left to weather. In fact, I feel more like better that you think of me. Someday I'm gonna wanna cross your mind. Don't worry, I'll be fine. I'm gonna be alright now. Why you living with your pride? Wish that I can hold you tight. I'll be over you on with my life. So take your records, take your freedom, baby, now. Take your memories, I don't need them. Don't need them, babe. Take your catch and leave my weather, 'cause we got nothing left to weather. In fact, I feel whole like better that you think of me. Take your records, take your freedom, take your memories, I don't need them. Take your space and all your stupid reasons you're gonna think of me. Take your catch and